Okay, so today I'm going to do a comparison between this HMV 157 and the Columbia 124A, which I've been using quite a lot recently. Now, I've already done the recordings, and in fact I use this record here. This is Bathing in the Sunshine, Paramount Rhythm Boys on Edison Bell Radio. And on the HMV I use the number 5A sound box. And I had the lid open. You'll see in the video that I had the lid open, but I was recording, in fact, using this little Zoom microphone here, but recording it down by the horn down here. And on the Columbia, I was recording in a similar position too. Now, originally, when I shot this video, I used this sound box here, this little HMV branded Columbia style soundbox. So this is basically a 15A, Columbia 15A, but branded up for use on a HMV branded portable in the 1930s. It does have its own model number or designation, but I'll need to look that up at some point. However, in the last video, or one of my previous videos, I did a comparison between this soundbox here and the Columbia number 9, which was the soundbox that actually came on that Columbia machine. And pretty much everybody thought that the Columbia number 9 sounded better. So I've reshot the Columbia record, or the Columbia recording, with this soundbox here, so that it gives it its best chance. Now, I've tried to keep all the settings the same on everything. However, I did have to adjust the settings on the Zoom mic. I don't know whether the dial got knocked or whether the Columbia was louder or whether I had the mic a little bit too close. So in terms of this video, don't compare so much the volume, but compare the sound quality. And also, it's probably worth noting that although these machines are actually quite similar, the HMV 157, even in oak, which was a cheaper wood, was a lot more expensive than the Columbia. So whilst you might actually have put the two side by side just out of sheer size, in terms of cost, the Columbia was a lot cheaper. I believe an oak 157 was about £22, which was a lot of money at the time. Okay, so let's listen to the recordings and let me know what you think.
That's the latest style. Bathing in the sunshine of my baby's smile. Just get the sunshine, people travel miles, but I get the sunshine in my baby's smile. Can't afford to go to Monte Carlo or Spain, Nice or sunny Italy, so I just remain in the little love nest, happy all the while, bathing in the sunshine of my baby's smile.
Okay, so what did you think to that? Let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, then maybe you'll like this one too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.